Hi, my name is Thomas from Nemo, and I'm going to show you how to replace broaching blades in the broaching tool. When you order the replacement blades from us, they come in these nice tight little boxes to make sure the broaching blade isn't damaged. First off, what you'll need, except for the broaching tool and the broaching blades, is an Allen key of 2 mm to unscrew the big screw here. To that you can take out the bottom. Remove the O-ring that keeps the two blades together. Pull them out. And then you have your set of new blades. Make sure that when you're installing these, this has a flat side and a circular side. The flat side always needs to be centered inwards so you can put them together. So when you stick the blade at the bottom, it's a bit of precision work, but you'll get there. There we go. It's one. That's two. So as you can see, the flat side makes it one entire circle. You just put the O-ring back on. Then you can put the bottom of the broaching tool back in the casing of the broaching tool. Make sure that you're aligned with the screw hole. Put back in the screw. You turn it and then tighten the screw. And it's fixed. Make sure that when you receive the broaching tools, you keep them in the casing until you install them, because they can be quite fragile, so you don't drop them. Thank you.